Oh yeah, girl. See, fine girl. On track. Oh, she's just feeling herself. Look at that. Look at that. Please, I beg, let me help myself, Joe.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my full wash day routine with you. This process is one of my favorites and it's all about keeping my hair healthy and strong. So let's get started. First thing first, I needed to stock up on some essential. I headed to the shopping mall to grab my shampoo, conditioner and keratin hair masks. They're not the usual I normally use, but I just use any one. So once I had everything I needed, I headed back home, excited to pamper my hair. So it's so important to use the right product for your hair. And for me, this combination also works for me well. If you haven't tried this Pantene Keratin Max before, I highly recommend it for additional moisture and strength. Now let's jump into our actual routine. So first, I like to mix my shampoo with coffee. It might sound strange, but there are some real benefits to using coffee for your hair. Coffee helps stimulate hair growth by improving circulation to the scalp, and it can also strengthen your root and add a nice healthy shine to your strands. I really noticed the difference in how my scalp feels when I use it. So I work the shampoo and coffee mixture into my scalp and let it sit for a minute or two, because while I added it I have to scrub my scalp well in order to make sure that this mixture is really penetrating well before rinsing it off. Yeah. So after rinsing it off, it's time to condition. I apply my conditioner from root to tip, making sure every strand is coated. If you like this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you add to your own shampoo or how your wash day routine is like, and share this video to your family and friends for those who would like to benefit from it. Thank you. So I leave that for a few minutes or so to do its thing, then rinse it out thoroughly. Now it's time for the deep treatment. So I parted my hair in sections. I use my finger to detangle. I like to use my fingers for this part because it's gentler on my hair and it helps to reduce breakage. I always experience a little shedding when I detangle with my fingers, which is completely normal. And also, if you detangle with your comb, it's also normal. But if you're seeing a lot of shedding, though, you might want to adjust your routine or check for any hair health issues. So once my hair is detangled, I went in with my hair mask. I divided in sections and I started applying the marks on the root of my hair to the tip of my hair. Normally, I don't use any kind of mask. I don't just go and get masks like that to treat my hair. What I do with my masks, I do a natural blends of some fruits and herbs to make my own hair mask. But at this point, I was so busy that I couldn't do my hair mask myself. So I decided to get this one because someone told me about it, telling me that it's a nice one. I should give it a try, which I actually said, okay, I'm going to give it a try and see how well or how true they claim the benefit is. So far so good. The smell is nice. I love it. It's creamy. The texture is so creamy. And oh, guys, look at me. I'm trying to separate my hair here, but I have to be very, very gentle with it. This is just it's on a speed level. So what I was doing there is not what is showing you is different from what I did in real life. So just be careful when detangling your hair. So about the mask, the mask is very nice, so it also helps in detangling the hair. As you can see, I just keep separating my hair to avoid knots and everything. So Yeah, but seriously, the mask is very good. So after each session, I have to tuck my hair away, and this is when I finish applying the mask on my hair. And this is how it's looking. So I went in with my steamer cap. I got this cap from AliExpress. If you want the link, please down below in the comment section. Thank you. So I had to wear this steamer cap for about 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes I came back, and this is what it looks like. The hair is really steamed. I like how it feels, so I went to wash it off, and this is me back from washing it off. So, and this is the hair I lost, very little, right? So what I'm saying here is that the mask really helped my hair. It's good for my hair actually. I really love that. It makes my hair soft. It smells nice. The texture feels like it feels so sleek. I really love it. So maybe from time to time I'll be giving it a try, but I'm a home remedy lady. I do it myself, DIY. So now I'm applying a heat protectant in my hair. So in each section I apply it, then I twist it back. Keep applying and twist it back. Then I went in with this CHI Silk Infusion in my hair also after I applied the heat protectant, because I will be blow drying my hair. So it's time for blow drying my hair. So after a while blow drying my hair, I had to go in with a comb in this part, just to comb my hair. You know, I've already detangled it, so I didn't have any sheddings while combing this because it's already detangled. So I'm just combing it just to help the hair dry quickly. To finish this off, I applied my homemade hair growth oil. I made this myself using natural ingredients that nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. I worked it through my hair, focusing on the ends to lock in moisture and also for the scalp. So, and that's it. I also applied the CHI Silk Infusion just to help to avoid frizzy and crunchiness in the hair. So I try to avoid that. So I use a CHI infusion to complete that, and then that's it. And this is her hair after everything ready. Oh my gosh. I just love feeling myself. I mean, who doesn't? Just you just have to feel yourself. I just love my hair. I love everything hair. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next one. Bye.